Hi, today, I would like to show how to perform stock take action in SQL accounting system. First, you may notice that your item maintenance quantity is not matched with your actual quantity in warehouse. Then go back to stock. Select stock physical worksheet. Choose the stock take date on the 31st of December, 2025. And click Apply. Click the preview icon to review the report. Then you may print out the stock take sheet to your warehouse worker. Let them fill in the physical quantity, which are the actual quantity in your warehouse. After that, click into Stock for stock adjustment. Click New for new transaction. Now the important steps. Click Window and click the tile vertical. It will show two pages, which is the stock physical worksheet and new stock adjustment. And now, you may right-click in the item rows, select all and drag it to the stock adjustment page. Close the windows. Then call out the column physical quantity from the column chooser. And you may enter the actual quantity in this column. Description you may mention or note it as stock take on the 31st of December, 2025, and transaction date put as the 31st of December, 2025. Then click Save. Now, back to the maintain stock item listing. You may notice that all the items quantity will update it as your actual quantity after key in the physical quantity in stock adjustment. That's all for the stock take action. See you in the next video.